Hello guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video I'm going to talk about how to take screenshot on Realme Narzo 50A and how you can do this up. So let's get into this. So the first method is you can take screenshot by using your three fingers. Okay, you can use the three fingers right now. So all you have to do is just have to use the three fingers like this. You have to do like this. Now as you can see, the screenshot is being done. So this is how you can take a screenshot, but this is not enough even though, so we have to take screenshot more, right? So imagine this is for the home screen. Also you can take the screenshot of a particular page or any kind of things you wanted. You can do this too. Over to that, you just have to go over here on the Play Store, so I can demonstrate you how to do this. The same process, you have to use your three fingers either on the right hand or the left hand, it depends. So you just have to keep the fingers like this and you have to do like this. Now as you can see, it has taken the screenshot and we have an option called scroll, which means you can tap over here. Sorry, I'll do it once again. You have to do like this. So the screenshot is done, you have to tap on scroll. So now scroll in the sense, this is how you can adjust it according to needs. You can keep this up. So this is only you need, or else you can go at the top. You can change in between according to your needs. You can keep on changing it between like this, and you just have to go over here on the done. Okay, this is what you have to do. As you can see, it is a long screenshot has been successfully taken. Now just go for it. Okay, this is how we can do this up. And also imagine some cases you just want to take a portion of screenshot, and how to do this, how to do that. So it's definitely a big question, and how to do that. So I'll be keeping this over here at the top. Now if I want to take a particular portion, then what I have to do is I have to use the three fingers and I have to press and hold. I have to keep the fingers and press and hold like this. So when I do this, I'll be having an option like this. So here I can extend this one. I can extend the boundaries till where I need the screenshot. I can keep in between. I can crop like this. I can do everything like this. As you can see, I can do all these things. And once it is done, we have an option at the top. So just have to press here so that it will be saved. Right? So this is how you can take the screenshot on a Realme Narzo 15A. And I hope this video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.